Yeah, there's a waterfall there, but it holds a secret. Like you see, there's no tunnel there, but we'll soon find out where it is when you go underneath it. We're crossing a bridge and across here. Yeah, cool.
Two flies. It's got it. Where did it go?
Hidden tunnel, we're at.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
hello, mate. Scary, right? It's like a big drop. Is it?
Big drop in there.
Yeah, there's another tunnel going to the left and a big drop it looks like. Yeah, look at board.
Yeah, there's a hidden tunnel underneath the waterfall.
Going well, film it. Yeah, I'll film it if you want to go back in, but
it's not waterproof, is it? Got to take it in, what?
Put it on. I'll cover it.
Go on.
Oh! That's cold!
Oh, no way.
Are we going in? No. You feel free?
Oh yeah, it's cold, alright.
Don't want to get the cold wet.
Just go for a quick run. Go through it. Quick. What's in there? So another tunnel going to the left by the looks of it. Go in, I'll come in behind you. You've got to make a quick dash through it though.
Oh, we're going in and have a look at that. Like you see, made it inside the waterfall. Just turn the light on now. Yeah. There's Tom that you people get Tom.
Whoa.
Yeah, I can go in that pipe.
Yeah. There's a nest there. And it's like a room above. Pretty much a room. And know what these barriers are for? These three barriers.
Stop the power of water.
Yeah. So when the water does come down there, hits these, takes the power away, throw it, yeah, and slow it all down. Getting in there. There, look. If you look through there, it goes that way and then turns right. Turns right through there. So, wow, check all them spiders.
Oh my god. Whoa. Yeah.
Check them all.
Yeah. Let's go in. Let's do it.
I've not got my wellies.
It's got that deep afterwards.
And it's not deep, but...
Yeah. Nah. Can't be that deep. I'm on that thing now.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, going round this way. Let's see it down. Whoa! Find yourself. Oh. Right, yeah. Loads of spiders. Loads of spiders. Then there's ladders. And then you must go up another level. Whoa. Yeah, let's go for another level then. Whoa. Right. Coming back for now. Yeah. You definitely need wellies or waders. Definitely. Coming through.
Can you get through that or?
You can. Go and have a look. The torch is there if you want. Step on there and across. So That plastic. Made me jump that then. Looks like we've got some back room for you. Wellies, proper lights and everything. Goes on for a while. So yeah, if you want us to come back, leave a message. Right, go on. That's cold, that. Oh. Yeah. Just a quick look down there.
Stay tuned for part 2. With me, the legend, young legend, and C420 Scott.
Stay safe till next time.